Ooh. Cut looking straight. Cut looking straight. You know what I mean? All right. So, boom. My first time having poke bowls. Your boy got 2 poke bowls. But yo, these look banging. Your boy got to eliminate the match. Ooh, would use the, matter of fact, we getting it in. What's going on, Playmates? It's your boy Play. Thanks for tuning in. You know what time to get it in. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Follow your boy on Instagram, play_grubbin. Hit me on the email, playgrubbin@gmail.com. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure, all right? I got a treat for everybody. I want whoever's on my Instagram, you got a possibility to go on live with me on Instagram, so you could be on a mukbang with me. You could eat with me on my channel. Whoever I'm going live with, we going on the channel. We're gonna go live and on Instagram and mukbang, you know what I mean, for YouTube. So you could probably be, you know, be a lucky person or lucky couple people and make it on the mukbang with me, you know what I mean? I don't know what we're gonna eat yet, but we're gonna see. So that's gonna be in a few weeks, so make sure you get on that Instagram, play_grubbin. all right? Now time to get into this poke bowl. Look at these joints. These joints looking so scrumptiddlyumptious. I got the shrimp. I got 2 of them. I got the shrimp on this. Shrimp with I think this is regular salmon. With regular salmon. I got sticky rice in here. Corn, edamame, bell peppers, onions in here. What else we got in there? Carrots. I forgot some other stuff in there too, but it's a lot of stuff in here. Plus I got on top cashew nuts. Ooh, that's jalapeno. A jalapeno just hit me. Woo. And now on this one I got shrimp and spicy salmon, plus all the same ingredients in there as well. They put 2 different sauces on here. I'm gonna show you guys 2 different sauces. One's a brown sauce, one's like a creamy sauce. But yeah, it's time to get into it. It's time to get into it. First time having poke bowl. Oh no. About to get festive with it. And I got lemonade. The lemonade hitting. I don't know. I'm not sure if it tastes like it's homemade, but it could be Minute Maid. I ain't have it in a minute. So I'm gonna eat a little bit with ooh, this gonna get right in there. Yes. Oh yes. So make sure, what's this? Pickled something. Am I supposed to eat this? It tastes good. I don't know what it is, but it tastes good. It's pickled something. Oh. Got cucumbers in here too. I'm right outside the poke bowls. Poke bros. Fresh Hawaiian style. Fresh Hawaiian style. Yo, I'm just not realizing. Do they use chopsticks in Hawaii? I've never been. I need to go. Do they use? Who's been? Let me know. Comment down below. Comment down below. Let me know who's been to Hawaii and if they use chopsticks or not. I need to know. Because this got me thinking now. I never heard of that before. New info to me. So I went in the poke bowls and I was like, I actually do it in there. I was like, yo. I didn't say yo, but alright, I'm tired of playing around with the chopsticks. I was like, you just eat one? It wasn't good enough? He was like, well, one doesn't really fill you. Not really filling. So I'm like, I'll have to get two, right? I was like, yeah, I'll probably have to get two. But this, whatever kind of sauce it is, it's hitting. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. On to the next one. I gotta bring it back here. You just stir it up. This is really good. So fresh. Like, as soon as you go in there, it smells like so fresh. And today is like, it's supposed to be a rainy day. I was hoping that, you know, it'll rain all day and like it'd be like thundering and stuff, and but it's not. It rained a little bit here and there and then stopped. Cause I know the rain people be like, oh, it's a terrible day, or it's a crappy day. If you never had poke bowl, you gotta get poke bowl. This is a great choice. What I wanted was, if y'all, whoever in South Carolina, Charleston, South Carolina, a place called Nana's. Yeah, what people was telling me to go to. Well, my barber. Got no way up. My barber was telling me to go. And he definitely filleted me and did his thing. I ain't going front. Like, yeah, try Nana's. And gave me another spot too. But I go there and they close. I'm like, dang. They are closed. Man, if you go to Google Maps, that food looking banging. I'm like, oh no, I gotta get this. But this right here is a great filling. Cause like I was saying, I was hoping it would be raining. Have a nice, like you would hear the raindrops in the background and stuff. Like, that'd be dope. while filming. That'd really be dope. But it's not raining. So always remember though, if it does rain, you gotta remember it's a great day. You know why it's a great day? Because if it didn't rain, you wouldn't be able to eat great stuff like this poke bowl right here. You know, we wouldn't be able to drink. Rain is great. Rain is amazing. Without rain, we wouldn't have so many lovely things. We wouldn't be alive without rain. It's crazy. We take rain for granted. Like all the benefits that rain has. You wouldn't be in the ocean, rivers, lakes, streams, no farming. Imagine, right? Imagine the rain stopping right now, right? What would happen? If the rain stopped right now, what would happen? Think about it. Like, there are places in this country, you know what I mean? And definitely in the world that's struggling with water as we speak. You know, so imagine if it didn't rain right now. How bad would it be? It was so bad. Like, even like for Flint, Michigan example. Their water is already borderline. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if it's good now. I remember back in, like, a few years ago, they had bad water. It's probably still bad now. And that would suck. Wait. Matter of fact, somebody was telling me about some place got bad water in like Texas or something like that, or there's somewhere else that got bad water too. And somebody had to like send their family members cases of water from Amazon. So there's water crisis in America, more than we know of. I'm going to take water for granted. The water that we have. We shouldn't be doing that. There's so many things we take for granted. Water, definitely one of them. All these pools we got. You know, houses with pools and, you know, sprinkler systems, stuff like that. Imagine having a sprinkler system and then down the street you got a family that's out on the street butt naked, struggling to eat and get some water. They got that in other parts of the country, in the world. I mean, other parts of the world. Now imagine there was no water. Where we get our water from? The lakes and streams that's drying up. Food is already scarce as it is. Not as scarce as we think, but food is getting worse, y'all. Well, I think all the meat's going up. All the meats and seafood getting higher. It's getting bad. But you got to. When y'all get water bottles, finish the water. So many people without water, food, stuff like that. Who was the guy that's gonna donate like 120 something million or billion to homeless people? Was it Jeff Bezos or something like that? If I'm mistaken, somebody comment down below, let me know. I know y'all seen that post. But some millionaire, I'm trying to combat homelessness. He getting a whole bunch of grants and stuff like that to combat against it. I mean, that's what's up. But y'all also gotta realize too, some people want to be homeless. Some people don't want stuff to do. Some people just want to chill and do what the heck they want. You know? Some people don't want to work, don't want to do nothing. But I guarantee you what? They're not taking water for granted. Because how they drinking? You know? I want to know what they do for water. Like drinks and stuff. Like if you was homeless, would you drink in a puddle? Like, I don't know. I'm just asking. It's crazy to think about, right? Nope. What would you do if you was homeless? Like, people were homeless without, like, certain things. No water, clothes, stuff like that. I don't know, that's crazy. You didn't even think about. Ooh, that happened. What's that? No water, imagine. We better take no showers. No showers. Washing dishes. You will literally have to live next to a river. Washing dishes. It'll be hard to wash food off. You won't be able to take showers every day. You'll be out here stinking. This junk is banging. Oh, I'm coming back. I am coming back. But This car mukbang is crazy. Like, you eat, people watch. It's actually kind of entertaining. Who like people watching? I know a lot of y'all like people watching. Let me know. Comment down below. Let me know. I was trying to speak over my fault, fool. You mean? The battery about to die. Hopefully I finish this food before battery die. I think I can. And people around here are cool though. This sauce is hitting. This cream sauce. Oh, this sauce is hitting too. Fresh. Word. But dang. I know it's a lot of y'all that don't. The battery shut off, y'all. Had to put another battery on. I know I was gonna finish in time. I thought I could, but that's not. But yeah, like I was saying, it's crazy. We didn't have no water. Man, I bless everyone with no water. Everybody, like, many blessings to all of them. Everybody who's struggling. Everybody who's struggling without water, with water. That'd be a crazy thing to think about. Comment down below. Let me know. Let me know what you think would happen if we didn't have water. Like, think about something that could happen if we didn't have water. Like, there definitely won't be as many jobs like there are right now. Like, jobs would be way down. Like, what else? Like, if there was no water, would there be no electricity? You know what I'm saying? Like, would there be... There would still be fire. What else? Food would be scarce. Be like apocalyptic times. That's scary to think about. So actually, it's good and it's a blessing to have water. Like, to me, if it's raining, it's an amazing day. Like, What? Because I understand what water does. You know what I mean? Like, it is wet. It is cold. I mean, it has to be in order for to eat and survive. Everything can't be perfect, but water is perfect. Water is perfect. Water gets you right. You drop it down. Water get you right, hunty. Water get you right. When you stink, it clean you. You know what I'm saying? Make it smell good. Water get them stains out. Water make you feel good. It clean you. Yeah. It's a power source. It's an energy source. It does so many things for us that people take for granted. Like, it's crazy. You know what I mean? It's crazy. And I love water. I'll drink water all day, every day. Just not these waters. This junk got the crazy aftertaste. No. You don't want these waters. These some boo. Boo, 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 boo. Boo, 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 boo. I don't even know why I still got those in here. They tried. They ain't work. But that's it, guys. Smash them poke bowls. That junk was banging. I'll definitely be back to the poke bowls, fresh fish, Hawaiian style foods. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hit me on Instagram, play__grubbin. Hit me on an email for collab or whatever, brand deals. Playgrubbin@gmail.com. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. New playmates and old playmates. Thank you very much. And until next time, peace.